Hey guys, welcome to today's video. I'm Lexia. Today I'm going to be making something a little bit sweet. I definitely have a sweet tooth. So it's an Italian pastry. It's called a strawberry crostata. But today I'm going to be making it on a budget. I'm not going to be rolling out the dough, none of that. So stay tuned. So these are my ingredients. I have some flour. I have my store-bought pie crust. You can find this by the biscuits. Today I'm going to be using some lime juice instead of lemon juice. I have strawberry preserves. Of course, we gotta add a little sugar. I have 1 large egg, parchment paper, what I'm gonna put in the oven, and then of course my strawberries. All right, so I have my strawberries, and of course, since we got our fresh fruits and vegetables, we definitely have to wash them. All right, so what I did is I put 3 cups of water in 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar, and I'm gonna let this sit for about 10 minutes just to make sure everything is clean, because you know sometimes bugs and stuff does get inside the strawberries. So the apple cider vinegar actually does, you know, make them get out of there. And I just use this. So yeah, so I'm gonna wait, and then after that, I'm going to cut my strawberries up.
Now that I have my strawberries beautifully cut and thinly sliced, you already know I had to showcase them on Grandma's fine china. I'm just gonna go ahead and put this in a bowl. And since strawberries are out of season, I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of sugar. After I add the 2 teaspoons of sugar, I'm gonna mix it up, and the next thing I'm gonna go in with is the strawberry preserve. I'm going to add 1/4 cup of the strawberry preserve, and then after that, I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of lime juice. I'm gonna mix it all up, and then I'm going to place it into my pastry.
All right, so now I am going to unwrap my dough. Maybe. There we go. It looks inappropriate. Okay, so I'm just gonna unwrap it. It's gonna look like this. All right, and I have some flour here, just so it doesn't get stuck to the counter. I'm going to wrap this out. Looks good to me. Perfect. So now I'm going to add my strawberry mixture in the middle of this. Ooh. Still looking kind of pretty good. I'm gonna add it to the middle. I made 2 separate pastries just so it's not like overwhelmed with the juices. I don't want it to be soggy on the bottom, so I went ahead and split up the strawberries for the 2 pie crusts because it does come in 2s. So I went ahead and put everything in the oven for about 25 to 30 minutes, so it's like a golden brown, and we'll see what comes out. Once everything comes out of the oven, I'm gonna place it onto a cooling rack for about 30 minutes just to make sure everything is cooked properly. Everything came out the oven. It's looking honestly pretty delicious. I can say that my egg wash was a little bit sloppy just because I didn't have like the brush, so I'm not in my house, but that's okay. It still looks really good. So I'm actually gonna cut it with the pizza cutter. I'm gonna use that to cut it, and then I'm gonna taste it. And yeah, I'm excited. Right, so I have my beautiful boyfriend here, Terry.
Hello.
He's gonna be tasting this as well. So I kind of cut it. It's really flaky, so the pizza cutter didn't really hold as well.
Should have got a regular knife.
But we're gonna taste this.
It's good.
It tastes like a pie, actually. I don't know if that's what low-key is.
I'll pay for this.
It tastes like a pie. Everything was really cheap, and it was really easy to make, and it was fast. So I'll probably make this again. I'm pretty sure you can add like whatever fruits that you want in this.
She need to make this again. Tell her in the comments to make this again. For me.
Thank y'all so much for tuning in to another video with me. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share, all that good stuff. And let me know which one to make or what I want to make next time and which one me to try, review in the stores, restaurants, all that good stuff. And yeah, I'll see you next time.
Y'all better subscribe too.